Okay, so now the download is finished. Close, and you can move that to the trash. We need to go into our system preferences folder and select printers. I'm going to remove this one for him. Okay, we need to add the printer. It's going to be an IP printer, and we are using the LPD setting. Our address is 10.1.10.99. And I'm going to rename this to LAer Melrose. On the bottom, where it says generic postscript, we're going to select software. And we need to find our Canon Image Runner Advance C. Where are we here? We have 5045, 5051. Okay. Add. Okay, now that we're in here, we'll select options and supplies. For options, your machine has a cassette feeding unit, I believe. And you have an inner finisher A1. Okay. Now, the last thing I'm going to listen. Okay, I want to bring up print screen. One thing that we will want to change on here before we proceed, from Safari, we'll need to pick some. On finishing, I want to select one-sided printing. And for defaults, we're going to save this setting as current, and we're just going to call it one-sided. And you will want to use this anytime you're printing something that's just one-sided, just so leave this up always unless you need a two-sided document. Okay, and we'll print. And if everything went well, that should print out for us, and we will be good to go.